everyone, welcome to my channel Grace Happiness. So today, as you see on the screen, there is a product from the brand Earth Rhythm, which is a cleansing balm rich in antioxidants, and also it is a detoxifier which contains matcha green tea. You all know that cleansing balms are very easy products to use when you use any makeup on your face. So if you are a person who uses makeup or BB creams or CC creams, anything, at least if you use any sunscreen also, you have to clean the sunscreen using a cleansing water, or else you can use a cleansing balm. So you should not avoid any of these cleansing agents if you are a person who uses sunscreen or any moisturizer on your face regularly. So as you all can see, Earth Rhythm is a brand which really produces or generates very good products with only natural ingredient. So friends, as you can see, this comes in a tin like this. And now I think they have changed the packaging, but in this beginning, all the cleansing balms from the Earth Rhythm brand comes in a tin like this. అనేది ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో చాలా మార్చారు, చాలా ట్రెండీగా ఉన్నాయి, మిగతా బ్రాండ్స్ తో పోటీ పడేలా ఉన్నాయి. సో అది ఒక మంచి విషయం. దట్స్ ఎ రియల్లీ గుడ్ థింగ్ టు గ్రో అప్ దేర్ సెల్స్. If you see the packaging, it comes in an aluminum tin like this, and if you scroll in a clockwise direction, you can definitely see the product inside. So I have used only pretty much, I think a very tiny size, pea size amount is enough. So I have a really good amount of product remaining, so I can use this for about 6 months, not less than that. Really a very less product is required to use. This is really in a solid form, and when it gets melted, it turns into a liquid form. So let us see how it works. And see my bare skin. I'll just show you a demo how it works on my hand, so that you can have an idea and awareness how it works, and then you can use it on your face. So this is my bare skin. There is nothing on my skin, and now I'm applying a sort of makeup. Here I'm using this Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, which is a matte foundation I'm using. So you can see. Let me apply it on my hand. Since it is a matte foundation, it really gets dry very fast. You have to blend it really fast. Since it is a matte foundation, it gets air dry very fast. See, you can actually see how I blended my foundation on my hand. See, it is completely dry because it is a since matte foundation. It has completely dried as soon as I applied it on my hand. And now I'm applying some eyebrow pencil. You can see I have just applied an eyebrow pencil from a local brand. I'm just drawing. See, I've also applied an eyebrow pencil, and then I'm using a kajal. So I'm using a kajal from the brand called LA18. This is a beautiful kajal. This is an LA18 kajal eye drama bold black, in the shade bold black. This is my favorite, and this is very affordable. And now I'm using this kajal you can see I'm applying like I'm drawing eyeballs to the figure what I have drawn on my hand. See, I'm drawing this kajal on my hand on the matte foundation. You can literally see how bold and black it is. See how bold and black the LA 18 kajal is. That is the reason why I love it very much. And now the final one. So this is a very simple makeup, like everyone can use. And now I'm applying my lipstick. This is one of my favorite shades from the brand Maybelline. So I'm just applying a lipstick on my hand. You can see how it goes on and how it looks on the matte foundation. You see? I'm sorry that I just broke down the lipstick just 2 days back. When I was applying, it just fell off from my hand. It just fell down. So the lipstick has really broke down, and it really broke my heart because since it's my favorite shade. So here you can see how I applied my matte foundation, along with that some sort of eyebrow pencil and my favorite LA 18 bold kajal. Along with that I paired it with a simple lipstick. So these are the 4 or 5 things every girl can use on everyday basis. Either it may be to a college, whether it may be to a work, or whether it may be to attend some sort of simple occasion. So these are very mandatory for everyone. So each and every person who ever uses makeup on daily basis have to use a cleansing balm or some cleansing water to just remove it. So now here I am using Earth Rhythm product to clean off all these from the hand. So let's see whether it takes off all the makeup or whether it remains any stains on my hand. So here I am using Earth Rhythm's cleansing balm. It is very solid in state, and immediately after taking the product, please try to close the tin. See, I have taken only this much. So if you can clearly see, I have taken only this much. And I'm started rubbing on my hand. Started with the lipstick and going on with the kajal. You can see how the solid cleansing balm has turned into a liquid form as soon as I started applying on my hand. మీరు బాగా చూసారంటే ఎప్పుడైతే నేను నా స్కిన్ పైన ఇలా రబ్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేశానో అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా సాలిడ్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్న ఈ క్లెన్జింగ్ బామ్ అన్నది లిక్విడ్ ఫామ్లోకి బాగా కరిగిపోతుంది. చూసారా? I'm using a wet wipe. You can use any wet wipes of your wish to remove this. So let us see how far it really works. See here? Oh my God. You can see how it completely has managed to take off all the makeup and dust and gunk. You can see how beautifully, very simply it has taken off all the makeup, including the dust, including the bold kajal and also the lipstick, the matte foundation, everything. I'll just show you a clear close-up. Just see. Oh my God. So friends, you can see clearly how beautifully it worked and taken off all the makeup from my hand. I'm clearly impressed. And let me show you how I clean my finger. Let us see how it goes off from my finger as well. You can see the finger what I have applied to melt the cleansing balm has also cleaned. See friends, I've used this wet wipe to clean off all the cleansing balm. I think this is a beautiful product and a thumbs up. It's a clear thumbs up from my side. I really love this product and I'm really happy with this purchase also. So that's why I wanted to show you how it works on your skin as well. So this is the product I use every time when I apply makeup on my face. You have already seen the demo of using this cleansing balm, that how it works and how it takes off the makeup. Even the bold kajal, matte kajals can also be easily removed without no pain using this cleansing balm. So this is a clear hit from my side. I have already done a video on my channel. So if you want to see how I cleanse my face, how I do double cleansing to my face, then definitely check the video in my description box. I'll just give the link in the description. Just go through it and see how I explained to double cleanse your face every day and what are the products that I have used and what are the products that you have to use for your every girl. And I forgot to mention the price. It comes in 100 grams of product. This 100 grams of product retails for rupees 599, but I got it on sale. So you can also check their website for more discount offers, and you have their new packaging as well. I think this is a very good cleansing balm and their best sellers also. They have other variant in the cleansing balms, so you can choose that as well also.